Okay, remember that hypothalamus makes these two hormones, okay, ADH and oxytocin. We talked about these. I'm going to ask you this. I'm going to try and trick you, so you're going to make sure you get this straight. Growth hormone, releasing hormone, and gonadotropin releasing hormone. Okay, so I'll try to trick you on a test question. Get those straight. Okay, so this is going to make growth hormone, which is not going to result in a tropic hormone being released. This growth hormone is not a tropic hormone, and that's going to act on the gonads, ovaries, testes, that are going to cause them to release testosterone and estrogen, progesterone. So this is going to stimulate release of tropic hormones. We didn't talk about dopamine, don't worry about that right now. We're then talking about prolactin releasing hormone, don't worry about that. Okay. Somatostatin is just an inhibiting hormone. You should probably know this. We'll talk more later about this. Somatostatin is an inhibiting hormone for growth hormone. So this is growth hormone, inhibiting hormone. And just when you see that term somatostatin, that's a negative growth hormone releasing hormone. Am I confusing you guys now? Or what time is it? Wednesday, yeah. It's what? 10:41. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, you need to know these terms here. So growth hormone are known as the cells that make growth hormone in the anterior pituitary are known as somatotrophs. There's another name for growth hormone to confuse you more is somatotropin. Soma means body, right? So growth hormone increases size, function of body, right? So somatotrophs make growth hormone. Thyrotropes make thyroid stimulating hormone in the anterior pituitary. Corticotrophs make adrenocorticotropic hormone in the anterior pituitary. And gonadotropes, they make luteinizing and follicle stimulating hormone in the anterior pituitary. I want to ask you about lactotropes. Okay, so know these: somatotropes, thyrotropes, gonadotropes, corticotropes. Okay, those are the cells in the pituitary that make those hormones. The ones that make the growth hormone are called somatotropes. The cells in the anterior pituitary that make the thyroid stimulating hormone are known as thyrotropes. Okay. Corticotropes make the ACTH, and gonadotropes make LH and FSH. Okay. So the names are pretty much in the name what the kind of hormones are making, right? Prolactin. I'm not going to ask you about prolactin, but that's from milk letdown. So during the